Let's take a look at this classic Chevy. 1950 Chevrolet Styleline. This would be considered a sport coupe. You can take a look at the data tag. It'll tell you the style number on there. Also going to tell you paint and trim. We'll get through that here in a little bit. As you can see, kind of a mint green color. Cool looking color on this car. A little tough for the camera and pictures to do it justice. You're going to see as I get up on it, it kind of looks like it's two different shades here. That is not. It's just kind of the way the color changes with the lighting. But it's kind of a mint, I'd say a mint green, but the camera over exaggerates kind of the difference in the shadow. But cool looking color on this. Let's take a look at the chrome up front here. See the bright work, grille, bumper. Nice looking condition. Appears the front bumper has been re-chromed, and the bright work around the headlight. The bezel's looking good. Underneath the hood, this is powered by an Era-Correct 216 inline 6-cylinder. That is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission that is on the column, so 3 on the tree, if you will. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, the undersides, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, riding on steel wheels, Chevy wheel covers, white wall radials. Nice look for this car. Now, this car originally would have been a crystal green metallic, which would be a darker green than this, but still in a shade of green. And interior camel, I would call it, kind of a medium tan. And again, the camera will try to wash out the beiges sometimes too, but right there is a true good idea of what color that interior is. It's kind of a nice camel interior. Has been reupholstered in nice shape, dash painted to match the car. You can see up and down the passenger side here, really free of much for nicks, dings, or scratches. I will show you a little spot kind of where I found up by the trunk where there's a little bit of kind of, I don't know, kind of a little bit of bubbling on the paint. If I can get it to show up. There you can kind of see it. And it's in the still pictures also. You'll be able to check it out in the still pictures. Be a nice car for any local cruise-in, roll-ins, local shows. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car does come with a car cover. It was in the back seat. I'll put it in the back seat of the trunk, so we'll go with the car. I apologize, I don't have this door all the way shut here, which will show you how that fits a little bit better. There you go. Get an idea. And again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the driver's side. Sure, you're going to find a few little ones here or there, maybe a touch-up spot. This car has been driven. We'll go down the road.
You like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
And once again, still pictures. You want to check out the underside, interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you want somebody to inspect it for you, not a problem there. We welcome them. This was a Kansas City, Missouri built car. Chevrolet plant down there. All right, door panels. Again, you can see the matching camel color, kind of a medium beige, if you will. And again, there's your true color of what that interior is. If I get up on top of it, it's going to start to wash it out just because of the lighting. Give you an idea of that. Now, did play around on a few things in here. Wipers do work. They are vacuum, so it's obviously going to be a lot better when you're going down the road. Horn did work also. Blower fan, right down here is your controls for your defrost and your heater. Blower fan was working also. Now, as far as the key, a little different than the modern ones. This one I'm going to turn to the left. Then we have a starter button up here. We also have a choke right here. I'm going to pull that choke out just a tad. See, it fires right up. Push the choke the rest of the way back in. Car idles nicely. Check out the headliner, also in nice shape. Slip around to the back, no crazy exhaust, anything like that. Purrs along like you'd expect an inline 6.2. I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this a second. Let's get that hood open so you can check out that engine bay. Looks pretty stock underneath there, and why don't you take a look at it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Again, 216 inline 6, and that is error correct. I can tell by the casting number off it that it is error correct. 6-volt system, of course, and 50. This still retains a 6-volt system, and you can see the heater hoses still hooked up. That is all there. Intake and exhaust manifold over on this side. Smooth runner. 1950 Chevrolet Styleline Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.